So now we'll be discussing about the requirement for Hypermist fire fixed system. So first requirement is that it should have a main source as well as emergency generator source of power. And another thing is that the if the area which I have to cover, if it is machinery area, if it is area is more than 500 metric cube, then another fixed source of extinguishing should be used. And if the this what we say और क्या था, it should be automatic na, so automatic is there. Another requirement just now I have studied yaar, 500 metric more we required another one. And yaar just now forgot what all studied I. It required a main source of energy. Let's say another requirement like the monthly we should check the wall situation, that the suction wall are in proper conditions, and sorry, weekly we have to check the walls are proper, and monthly we have to check the automatic working arrangement of it. And one system should be checked for the alarm system and working, and that suction wall has to check that is normal. We have to do monthly as well. And another requirement for it is main source 500, that's it. And nozzle, and the area which the nozzle will cover, it is around 5 liter per meter square in a minute. So distribution such as the whatever area it is covering, each nozzle should cover at least this much area. So total 3 requirement, and one more is that's it. Let's go. So 4 requirement is there. Oh yaar. So the requirement, okay, the first one I get the cargo ship 2000 above should have this system. Okay, so which all the 2000 gross tonnage above will require this. Machinery above machinery space above 500 metric cube volume required an additional fixed firefighting system. It must have an independent power source or having a connection from emergency switchboard. Independent power source or having connection from, okay, the number and arrangement for such as to be ensure effective at least 5 liters. Okay, precaution shall be taken to prevent nozzles from becoming clogged by impurities in water. Okay, so this is the requirement. Okay, piping nozzle, okay, should have manual as well as auto release mechanism. Okay, so this is some important point which I have missed. Activation shall give a visual and audible alarm in protected space. Okay, weekly verify all control panels, indicator and alarms are functional. Indicator and visually inspect pump unit and its fitting. Check the pump unit. So weekly we have to check the pump unit while position valves are not locked as applicable. If valves are not locked as applicable. Monthly verify all all pump unit section wall are in proper open or a closed position. Section, not suction wall. Test automatic starting arrangement on all system pumps so designed. Automatic starting arrangement on all system pumps so designed. Text a selected sample of system section walls for flow and proper initiation of alarms. That wall selected for testing should be chosen to ensure that all walls are tested within 1 year period. Okay, so this is all about your fixed mist system or fixed mist system. I will be talking about sprinkler. So requirement about sprinkler. So now we'll be talking about the requirement of a sprinkler. So sprinkler, like whenever it comes to our mind, we just think about paint logger and all. So the requirement is such that starting to requirement is same as the mixed, like gross tonnage 2000 above should have this system, and if the area for a machinery area having area of 500 metric cube more, then another system should be installed. Okay, now it should have a individual source of power or emergency generator power for the fire pump, for the emergency fire pump, for the that for the so for the water, for the supply of the water. And another thing is that it is like each set of sprinkler have only 200 heads. Okay, and each head, that is your each sprinkler will cover an area of 16 meter square, and apart from that it should be distance from each other by 4 meter and should not be more than 2 meter from the vertical wall. And the what we say, that in what we say in paint room locker, the sprinkler should have a 5 liter per minute. It should spread 5 liter in a minute. And what else? Sprinkler it should be automatically, and it should be automatically and have a audio and visual alarm just like your mist system. And what else? Audio visual alarms, this one. And what I'll say, it has a lot of things. Then it should be activated within 1 minute after release. And that's it. What else? Oh fuck, I just messed up. So I should have a 200 500. Okay, that's okay. I have independent. Okay, in accommodation every. Okay, so high temperature, it is valid for only high temperature area for 69 degree to except where high temperature might be expected. The operation temperature may be increased by not more than 30 degree above the maximum deck head temperature. Okay, sprinkler should have resistance for corrosion in. Okay, sprinkler system is divided into two each section. More 200 head is okay. For it, each sprinkler head is capable. Okay, capability is 100 liter per minute discharge, and the pressure is 4 bar. Okay, for each the highest sprinkler head in the system is not less than 4.8 bar pressure. The highest sprinkler head in the system shall not less than. Okay, so pressure surboard be okay, and 100 liter each sprinkler head is capable of liter. The test valve shall be provided for the test valve for the automatic alarm for each section of the sprinkler by discharge of water equivalent to operation of one sprinkler. Okay, the test valve shall be provided for the testing the automatic alarm for each section of sprinkler by a discharge of water equivalent to the operation of one sprinkler. The test valve for each section shall be situated near the stop valve for that section. It's a bit confusing, but okay. Monthly checking and all is not written here. What to do monthly, I guess, for retention. This is all about your sprinkler system. Thank you.